In this video, I'm going to give you some important tips as what to do when asking for your next pay rise when it is more than 10k or 20k above your current salary as cloud engineer. We all know that despite of the downturn in the recruitment market in Australia or elsewhere in the world, there is still high demand for cloud engineers. So if you are in a position in a company as a cloud engineer and you are looking to either move out because of the salary. So I would suggest that before you do that, if you like your job, your company, your colleagues, and everything else, then maybe why not just try to get that raise within your own company. To simply state that you're asking for market rate within your company isn't enough justification, and your request will be taken more seriously if you follow up the tips which are shown on your screen. The first and foremost advice I could give you is to do as much research as possible, which includes gathering information on salary ranges for your position in your industry and location to support your request. For example, if you're based in Sydney, then go on LinkedIn and seek and see what sort of salary ranges are on offer with the experience listed which matches your experience. You can also use websites like Glassdoor or even Payscale, which can provide helpful data. Remember that friends, colleagues, and yes, even recruiters will potentially inflate the numbers, so facts will always keep your expectations realistic. Also, make sure that you document your accomplishment, compile a list of your achievements, contributions, and additional responsibilities that justify the salary increase. Highlight any tangible results or positive impacts you have had on the company. Make sure you don't just bottle it up and you schedule a meeting or request a meeting with your leader or the appropriate person in your company's HR department to discuss your salary. Choose a time when they are likely to be receptive and have the necessary information available. So give some notice. It is recommended to do this before considering applying for new roles when remuneration is your key motivator. Also, make sure to prepare your case. Present your case in a clear and concise manner. Explain your research on salary ranges, highlight your accomplishments, and emphasize the value you bring to the organization. Focus on how your increased responsibilities or performance merit the higher salary. You'll need to claim professional and confident during this stage of negotiation. Yes, negotiation is everywhere. So be open to it. Don't be very hard fixed on your numbers. While asking for a specific amount is acceptable, be prepared for a potential negotiation from the other side. Be flexible and willing to discuss alternatives such as performance based bonuses, additional benefits, or a phased salary increase. And after doing this, don't just leave it there. Follow up after the meeting, send a follow-up email summarizing the discussion and expressing your gratitude for the opportunity to present your case. This reinforces your interest and professionalism. Remember, it is essential to be realistic and consider the overall financial situation of the company. Be prepared for the possibility of a counteroffer or a smaller salary increase initially, but keep the conversation open and continue advocating for your worth in future discussions. If this doesn't get you the results you're after, please reach out to someone higher up, but keep trying because if you don't ask for it, you're not going to get it. I hope that this was useful. If you have any feedback or questions, please put them in the comment section. Thank you very much.